Is this, or is this not, an absolutely sexy box? I gotta admit, this is a really, really sexy box. This is an unboxing of a product from Blazewear. Okay, before we open this lovely, gorgeous box, before we pull this little tab that says open, don't forget, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit your subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications, and any comments, please leave in the comment section below. Right, so what's inside this box? Well, here is something. Shall we go? Let's find out. So this is from Blazewear. This is not a sponsored. I've bought this product. I've looked around. I found it. I bought it from Blazewear. I'm hoping it's going to fit. I hope it's going to fit. I've not opened this box yet. Wow, look at this. So there you go. Look at that. Blazewear. So there we go. So, oh my God, it folds down well. Hey! And it falls out. There we go. Oh, this is an absolute, everything falls out. Look. That looks a bit like, I don't know, food. Look at that. That's a very, very cool box, actually. There you go, look at that. Very cool box. Open here. I don't need to open there because everything fell out. Everything literally fell out. I do believe that looks like some instructions. So what have we got here? We've got instructions. I want this. That's what I want. Okay, so what have we got? Well, we've got a lot of stuff that's fell out. So we've got a box, another box. We've got... I'm hoping that's instructions. We have another box, and we have what looks like a package of food. Let's get rid of this box, because let's get out this way. Okay, right, so here we go. This is more like it. So what we have in here is, quite simply, a heated undergarment. This is a heated base layer shirt. There we go, heated base layer shirt. It's from Blazewear. You can buy it just as a normal shirt, which is 50 quid, or you can buy it with a battery and it's heated. So you can wear it as a thermal shirt, or you can wear it as a heated shirt, and you pay extra 50 quid. So it's 100 quid and you get everything. And I thought that was pretty cool. So this is actually, I've got an extra large. Whether that'll fit me or not, I don't know, because I am a bit of a fat bastard. But there we go. So in here we have what looks like, and it's black. It would be black, wouldn't it? So it would be dark. Everything would be dark. Everything's always dark. I don't know why. My house is dark. Just 1 second while I check something. There we go. That's better. Let's get some lights on. Okay, so here we have. So the first thing we've got is a rather... Oh my God, it is large, actually. Oh, hello. Jesus, that's huge. There we go. So there we go. A rather large... undergarment, and I got a feeling the heated element's about here, because that feels like the heated element. It feels quite nice. What's it made of? Does it tell me? It is made of it doesn't say what it's made of. Let's have a look at the label. Does the label tell me what it's made of? I've got a feeling it feels like lycra. It definitely feels like lycra. It's quite huge. Here we go. So it is 85%. Oh, it's spandex. Ooh, now, calm down, Max. Yeah, it's 85% nylon and 15% spandex. So yeah, so that's at Maximus to Willicus and Theo getting rather excited there, and probably riding the Alps. So, oh look, look at that. Right, okay. So there's the heated element in the back. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. This is good quality stuff, this is. So there's the heated element. Look. So there's the heated element inside, which looks quite good. So it's actually, there's quite a lot of heating element inside this. Look, there we are. So we've got some more heating element. So that looks like it's all at the back and it's thermal at the front. Yes, so the heating element's at the back and it's thermal at the front, and I'm guessing this little zippy pocket here holds the secret. Yes, there we are, look at that. Ta-da! Does it hold anything else? That's all it holds. So it is powered by a battery, he says, looking. I think that's the wire I can feel. I can feel something. I don't know what it's going to be like. I'm going to try it on tomorrow, because obviously I need to charge the battery up first. But that's the cable. I've got a feeling the cable... No, it's not going to move. So that's it. So that's the cable. One of these boxes is going to contain the battery, and one's going to contain the power supply. So obviously I need to charge the battery up. This is the battery. So here's the battery. It's quite a nice battery. One thing I haven't quite seen yet is how to switch it on and off. So that's the battery, which obviously plugs into here, like so. Now, store in a cool dry, blah, 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 blah. What's the best way? Blah, blah, blah. Remove the battery. Hand wash in only cold water. Do not twist or wring. Hang to dry. Power on. Press and hold power button for 2 seconds. When turned on, the product will go into preheat mode. Button will flash red. After 5 minutes, the base layer will automatically change to medium. Change the temperature. Press the power button until colour changes. Power off. Hold the power button. So the question now is, where's the power button? So, yeah, that's a very good question. So, I don't know where the power button is. Well, I've not seen a power button anyway. So there must be a button somewhere. Ta-da! So there's the button. It's in the sleeve. That's pretty cool. So, oh look, it's red. So that's what it said, weren't it? So the turn on will go into preheat mode. Button will flash red. Oh, is that flashing? Oh, it is flashing red. Look, that's flashing red. So this is in the preheat mode, and this will actually get warm. So I'm not sure how warm that's going to get and how quickly it's going to take to get warm. But of course, as per usual, I buy something like this and then it stops bloody snowing and everything else. I bought this because it was like -12 and I couldn't use the bike. And now it stopped snowing, so that's, you know, pointless, really. Okay, we have a battery charger with a UK plug and what looks like a European or USA type plug. I'm not quite sure which country these type plugs come from. Okay, so whatever plug this is. And obviously it just changes by pressing the button there, he says. And obviously, sliding that off and sliding that on if you want to. But obviously, in the UK, so I need the UK type plug, which is that one there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge up the battery tonight. And I'm going to go for a ride with it tomorrow. Just want to see what it feels like. And it's still in preheat mode. Oh, it's getting warm, actually. Oh, I feel heat. I do, I generally feel heat. I've got a feeling it's heated down the arms as well. There's a wire down that arm anyway, so I can feel heat. I can definitely feel heat there. There's definitely heat there. So I will let you know tomorrow how good this actually is. I'll also leave a link to the website where you can get this from, and also linking to the Twitter account, and I shall let you know exactly how good this is in the next video when I give it a wear, which is no doubt going to boil me to death because I can guarantee you'll be into double figures on the temperature. So thank you very much for watching. I will catch you next time, and I will leave you with the fact is that this is getting hot. Cheerio, arrivederci, catch you later.